Okay, management systems. For this is, for basically for running your multiple subsystems and for maximizing stakeholder information and making communication as easy as possible. One thing I've seen as a manager is that if you don't communicate with people, they assume the worst. So if they haven't heard from you in a while, they assume things are not going well. And it kind of triggers fear with them, it triggers a lack of confidence. So these communication tools are valuable to you as a manager, as a leader. You want to be on these all the time. You want to be communicating with parents. You want to be coordinating with teachers, with your management team. So these systems, create report cards. They manage parent access. Basically, they're communication managers in a school setting. Here's a bunch of them. I'm sure you've heard of a bunch of these. And this is an essential part of your playbook.